Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Rules of making verbs plus ing, especially action verbs. So the problem the students face is that when we tell them to make verb plus ing, they just add ing to the verb, which is not correct most of the time, because there are rules that you should know and practice and do. So let's see. Verb plus ing. Not all the verbs take just ing. This is one thing that you should know from the very beginning. So we add ing just to action verbs, the verbs that do an action. Let's see. The verbs that do an action. Let's see. The verbs that do. Verb plus ing is called in English grammar present participle. For you as a beginner, level 1, remember just verb plus ing. So we have groups and we have rules for each group. Rule group 1 is very simple. We add ing to some verbs without any problem or change. So just the verb and we add ing. We are going to see the verbs that take ing without any problem or change. Let's see the first verb. So the first verb is start. Start. And I should tell you that why are we studying just verbs plus ing in this lesson? Because it's very important, because in the coming lessons we are going to study present continuous, and present continuous is quickly as a form. We have verb to be, for example I am, and we have verb start, and we have ing. I am starting. So today we are going to practice just verb plus ing, and in the coming lessons we are going to make this form into a sentence with verb to be, so to give us present continuous. Because the problem of the students, they know that present continuous is verb to be plus verb plus ing, but they have problems with verb plus ing because they add ing to all verbs. No. Today we are going to study and practice and learn the rules of making verb plus ing. So the first group, we don't have any problem. We just add ing to the verb. So the first verb is start. Starting. Starting. Let's repeat after me. Start. Starting. Starting. Let's go to the second verb. Steal. Stealing. Stealing. Let's repeat after me. Steal. Stealing. Stealing. Let's go to the next verb. Go. Going. Going. Go. Going. Going. So let's repeat after me. Every time I pronounce a word and plus ing, try to practice it with me. Don't just watch. So let's have fun pronouncing verb plus ing. Do. Doing. Doing. Another thing, so when we add ing to the verb, don't pronounce g. Don't say starting. Don't say stealing. Don't say doing. Don't say going. No. So when we have ing at the end of a verb, don't pronounce g. Doing, n. So the final sound is n. Doing, doing, doing. Let's continue. Speak. Speaking, no. Speaking, speaking. Speak, speaking, speaking. Let's go to the next verb. Listen, listening, listening. Listen, listening, listening. Let's continue. Read, reading, reading. If you say reading, no. Reading, reading, reading. Let's continue. Visit, visiting, visiting. Visit, visiting, visiting. Let's continue. Learn, not learn, learn. Learning, learning, learn, learning, learning. Let's continue. Study, studying. So when we have y, we pronounce it y, studying, not studying, studying, no, studying, study, studying, studying. Let's continue. Play, playing, playing. So we have y, play, playing, playing. Let's go to the next verb. Try, trying, trying, try, trying, trying. Let's continue. Cry, crying, crying, cry, crying, crying. Pay, paying, paying, pay, paying, paying. Let's continue. Pray, praying, praying, pray, praying, praying. Let's continue. Say, saying, saying, say, saying, saying. Fly, flying, flying, fly, flying, flying. Let's go to the next verb. Stay, staying, staying, stay, staying, staying. Let's continue. Fry, frying, frying, fry, frying, frying. Buy, buying, buying, buy, buying, buying. Let's continue. Carry, carrying, carrying, carry, carrying, carrying. Let's go to the next verb. Sand, not send, no, sand, sanding, sanding. Let's continue. Eat, eating, eating, eat, eating, eating. Let's continue. Drink, drinking, drinking, drink, drinking, drinking. Help, helping, helping, help, helping, helping. Let's continue. Watch, watching, watching. It's not watch, it's wo, oh, watch, watching, watching. Let's continue. Meet, meeting, meeting, meet, meeting, meeting. Let's continue. Sleep, sleeping, sleeping, sleep, sleeping, sleeping. Let's continue. Cook, cooking, cooking, cook, cooking, cooking. Let's continue. Dream, dreaming, dreaming, dream, dreaming, dreaming. See, seeing. So we have seeing, see, seeing, seeing. Let's continue. Show, showing, showing, show, showing, showing. Let's continue. Open. It's not open, it's open, opening, opening, open, opening, opening. Paint, painting, painting, paint, painting, painting. Let's go to the next verb. Kill, killing, killing, kill, killing, killing. Let's continue. Break, breaking, breaking, break, breaking, breaking. Let's continue. Build. It's not build, it's build. U is silent. Build. It's not building, it's building. U is silent. Building, build, building, building. Let's continue. Shoot, shooting, shooting, shoot, shooting, shooting. Let's continue. Sail, sailing, sailing, sail, sailing, sailing. Let's go to the next verb. Sell, selling, selling, sell, sell, selling, selling. Tell, telling, telling, tell, telling, telling. Let's go to the next verb. Ring. So when we have verb, small verb like this verb, so with G, so because it's small verb, we pronounce G but not strongly. We don't say ring. So it's a ring, ring. So a light G. Ring, ringing, 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 ring, ringing, ringing. Let's continue. Sing. We don't say sing. So sing, sing, singing, singing, sing, singing, singing. Bring, bring, not bring, bring, bringing, bringing, bring, bringing, bringing. Call. We don't say call. Some students say call. It's o. Call, calling, calling, call, calling, calling. Walk. So here we have problem. The A is O and the L silent. Walk, walking, walking. The students say walking. No, it's walking. So A is O and L silent. Walk, walking, walking. The same thing with verb talk. Not talk, not talk, no, talk. Talking, talking. Let's repeat after me. Talk, talking, talking. Let's continue. Brush. It's not brush, it's bra. Brush, brushing, brushing, brush, brushing, brushing. Let's continue. Fish, fishing, fishing, fish, fishing, fishing. Finish, finish, finishing, finishing. So we are going to stop here for today's lesson. We are going to see just verbs plus ing without any problem or change. In the next lesson, we are going to see the other rules that we have when making verb plus ing. Thank you and goodbye. حد سعيد. إلى اللقاء. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.